Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tasha, and if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a unboxing on some items, and the items that I'm gonna be unboxing is from guess guys, Savage X Fenty. So please stick around so you could see all my beautiful pieces. So leg up. So the first item that I want to be unboxing is a rainbow full leopard black lingerie, and it's in a size extra small. So let me show you guys. Ooh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful, guys. Like, for you know Savage X Fenty is like for sexy. Oh my god, this is pretty, and this is a thong. My man is gonna love this. Yes, look at this. This is pretty. I know you guys want to see me wear this, but not right now. I ain't got time for that. My nigga is gonna be only upset with me for this. So it's a no. So the second piece that I want to be unboxing is a lingerie slipped natural tigger, and it's in a size small. So let me open up this thing. And this is like a nightgown, a sleepwear, I believe. Yes, this is a nice little sleepwear, and it also got the mesh. I like tiger prints, leopard. I love those stuff. So guys, this is beautiful. And everything that I'm unboxing, guys, is from Savage X Fenty. Beautiful pieces. Third piece that I want to unbox for you guys is a two-piece, and it's called Pink Tigger, and this undies is in a size small, and I also got the matching bra. It's no push-up, it's just mesh. See, it's pretty. And I also love pink. Pink is my favorite color, and this lime green is so pretty too with it. So I really like this. And this is also in a size small. So the third piece that I'm going to be unboxing is Electric Blue Lemonade. I don't know where she get these names from, but sis, the thing that I go on, but I don't know about the name thing, because this don't look like lemonade. So I don't really know all the lemonade thing with this Electric Blue set. The lemonade, I don't know where that part they come from, because I know lemonade is yellow. So you have blue lemonade. I don't know about that. That's a food coloring. But anyways, let me get to this. Alright. See, this is a thong, and it's also in a size small. I know I don't really want to see me night, but guess what? Not today. I don't have the time for that today. Okay? With the matching bralette, and I bought my stuff in small because I really like when my stuff is really tight, like not too tight but squeeze up everything, you know, but good tight. Do you understand me? Well snatch on the body, because you know sis got a nice bumper around at the back, so you know say the panty not for loose, the panty have to just hold it up. You understand me? So yeah. And the fourth piece that I want to be unboxing for you guys, it's the purple CACTUS FLOWE. I don't know about the name, yeah. But the thing them unique upon this nice little mesh something, you know, you can buy it and I look at Valentine's Day wear for your man, you know them look wear it? Yeah. I'm gonna like them something, you know, you have to spice up the bedroom sometime. But I never know which size I'm buying at this, you know, honestly. But I like it. I like the purple thing while going with it and the mesh thing, you know. Can't see everything through. But this is beautiful, guys. So let me show y'all. You know what? Maybe we'll put on a 1 and 2 piece for the see, you know, but I have to think about it first. Nobody mind my nails, okay? It got caught in the door. Tell me if sis no say Pino Wale. Yes, I did. But anyhow, this is a nice piece, guys. As I said, it's very pretty. So I got a VIP membership from Fenty Beauty, so I could order anything that I want like every month. So the VIP membership is like $45 a month, and you could also use that money every month to order something if you want. So you could check it out, guys. So the other piece that I got that I want to review is a real wingback set. That's the name of it. I don't know why it named real wingback set, but this is something my skin tone color, dark brown. Chantel on the track. Chantel on the track. It's Tasha on the track. I never did for tell them my real name, but I'm gonna get with today. Okay, so this is the real wingback set. Let me open it up. This is a bralette and it's also mesh, and this is my skin tone. I love things that's my skin tone. It just like blend in with my skin. It's very pretty. I think I gotta try it on Funi. I think I want to try it on for y'all. Oh my god, I don't think we can show all of the access in this. Shit. Look on this. Look on this, girl. Oh my god, this is pretty. I'm not telling a lie. We're not going with ourselves. First, the beauty line, then the lingerie line. Maybe we need to open one lingerie store too and send some nice lingerie, because guess what? I love them like a sexy piece here. Nice, I like sexy up in my house. So I don't know all the thing. Anyways, so yes, this is the set, guys. Very beautiful. My skin tone, well, yeah, it's my skin tone, I would say, or a little bit darker, but I love this piece. This is my favorite. Also, I have 2 more sets that I want to show you guys, and this that I'm wearing right here, this is a set from also Fenty Beauty. This is a pajama set. It comes with the pants and the top, as you can see. The last and not least, okay guys, So the last and not least, this other set that I bought, it's a bralette and it's military olive. That's the name of it, military olive. And it's also a set. So let me open this up. Okay, so this is a undie, and this is in a size small. As you can see, it's in the color green, dark green. That's why it's called military, because it's basically the military color. And this is just a regular undie. And also I bought the bralette to match. So guys, you could wear this bralette to, like, if you want to wear it to the gym. And I also bought these leggings to pair with the bralette. Nice leggings, and it's in a small. I doubt this gonna fit because I think I'll wear a medium in this, but I need to give this away. So that's it, guys. So I want you guys to subscribe to my channel